What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be talking about ARGO blockchain. So this is a very brand new stock to my channel, as I've never actually covered this stock before, but I think it's a really interesting stock that you guys might want to consider buying into. But anyway, if you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. I talk about all sorts of different stocks like Palantir, Neo, CCIV, and this stock obviously at the moment. And also I do a portfolio update once a week every Sunday, so check that out on the Sundays and you can see how my portfolio is doing, whether it's bad or good. But obviously what we're going to be talking about is ARGO blockchain, and this is something that I really do find interesting, and we're going to go over it a little bit. So ARGO blockchain, I've ended up buying 30 shares, not a huge amount of shares in ARGO blockchain, because I just want to slowly start building a position hopefully in this stock. And it says I'm down 2.64%, which is actually wrong because I'm not. As you can see, the dotted line I'm above, it just hasn't updated. But yeah, this is ARGO blockchain, and yeah, that's how many shares I've got into this stock. So let's have a little look at this article. First thing, I haven't even said about what it actually is. ARGO blockchain is literally a mining company that mines cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, and it's very, very good at it. ARGO blockchain, a global leader in cryptocurrency mining, today announced that they have mined 129 Bitcoin or Bitcoin equivalent in the month of February compared to 93 Bitcoin in January. This takes the total amount of Bitcoin mined year to date to 222 Bitcoins. At the end of February, the company held a total of 599 Bitcoins, which is very, very impressive. So this is something else I want to talk about, because this is very, very big revenue growth. The mining revenue in February amounted to 6 million compared to $3.46 million in January 2021. ARGO generated this income at an average monthly mining margin of approximately 81% for the month of February, up from 71% in January. So their margins are getting bigger and the revenue is getting larger and bigger. And obviously this type of stock just goes along with Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin is going up in price, then obviously this stock's going to start having a nice upside to it. And the thing is with me, and I don't know about you guys, is obviously I do a portfolio update on Trading 212, and that's the brokerage account I use. And I was always wanting a bit of exposure to cryptocurrency. And yes, I could go to Coinbase or all these other type of places, but I just love Trading 212. I thought, you know what, let's get into ARGO blockchain. Gets me a bit of diversity into the cryptocurrency world, and they are just growing rapidly. They've increased their miners to 4,500, and also the petahash is 1075, which is really good, because if you don't know, briefly, I'm just going to say it's just a way of saying how quick they can mine these blockchains, the cryptocurrency. Don't get me wrong, I am still new to this cryptocurrency world, very new to it. They are one of the leaders out of all of the other kind of cryptocurrency miners. It is also powered by clean energy, which is awesome to hear, as we also want to get into renewable energy, as a lot of my stocks as well are EV based and all sorts, and the weather's horrible. Blimey, that was so random. But now I want to get into the chart of this play. So as you can see right now, we're on the 4 hour, we like the 4 hour charts, and as you can see on the RSI, we were in the oversold territory, so it did have a nice bounce upwards, and it bounced off that support line that I've drawn, obviously with that blue line. And then obviously as well on the MACD, you can see there's going to be a cross, suggesting there could be some upwards movement. So if that's the case, can we start pushing above this resistance line and turning that into new support once again, and then start going on to a rally, going towards the all-time highs hopefully? That would be amazing to see. Obviously it does go with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin starts crashing, then it's not always going to be too great. If you look at the technicals, it's looking really, really good. And that's why I ended up buying now, because I think it's now made its new range. And this rain is really, really, really loud. I'm sorry if you can hear the rain. Yeah, I think it's made its new range, and I think it's now time for it to start going above and start doing another upwards trend. So that's why I ended up buying into ARGO blockchain right now, because I just thought the technicals suggest that it's going to start going on a bull run, in my opinion. Could be getting that wrong, or it could just consolidate down in here, but I do think this is a really good price range, so that's why I bought in right now. It might start trading around this channel here with the resistance and the support line, but I think anywhere in between there you're going to get a decent price, especially if you're holding this very, very long term. So that's why I ended up buying at this price, like I keep saying. So yeah, that is Argo blockchain for you guys. Very new video, different type of video, and I'm going to start doing more research into this stock because I do think this could be a nice play for 2021 and beyond. So if you do like the sound of this stock, maybe have a look into it yourself, see if this is something you would like to buy. And yeah, subscribe if you're brand new to this channel and give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.